Hi Mississauga, I'm Public Education Officer Sean with Mississauga Fire and Emergency Services. Working smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms save lives. It's important that everyone in your home learn the sounds of fire safety and understand that smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms have a specific sound when activated. A working smoke alarm beeps 3 times. A working carbon monoxide alarm beeps 4 times. When you hear the alarm sound, there are 4 important things to do. Number 1, stop what you're doing. Number 2, choose the best way out of the room. Every room should have 2 ways out if possible. Number 3, get outside quickly. And number 4, go to your safe meeting place outside and call 911. Test your smoke alarms and carbon monoxide alarms once a month to make sure that they're working, because these alarms save lives. From all of us here at Mississauga Fire and Emergency Services, stay safe.